This is Karen French for construction workers behaving badly. In May of 2013, we decided to have our house remodeled. Over the course of 4 months, the construction workers have left a giant mess. As you can see, there's still concrete on the floor, holes in the wall, PVC pipe and other roofing materials, pieces of wood, some other sort of construction material, bags of rubbish, and just other construction things I don't understand. Our lawn furniture has been pushed to the side of the fence, left in the open elements for 4 months. As you can see, there's concrete on the grass, and there's no grass anymore. My poor lawn has died. Where there was a garden is now filled with wood piling, some other things that I don't even know what they are. And that's my cat. There you are. Hi, Sammy. As I go down this hallway, outside hallway, you can see construction equipment still laying around. There's no cleanup. It's not the worst. As I go through a gap in the fence, which has not been fixed yet, there's still no cleanup. And the worst part, as I come around the corner, a huge pile of rubbish on where my lawn used to be. The painters have not been here yet, and yet we don't know when they're coming. This is Karen French for construction workers behaving badly.